Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a product of his 80 years old. He's Tanner from Bachelor of Science in Mass Communication. United we gotta say the journey of friction cannot be polished to your success, you without sacrifice. My real name is Arian Monte Carlo, and please allow me this time name, Juanita Fresh to Fresh, Juanita Regina Regine, Miss Maricar Reyes. Nagsasabi kung ang mga lalaki ay nihahambing sa kidlat at ang mga babae ay nihahambing sa ulan. Kaming mga bakla, inihahambing sa kulog. Kulog, naaalog-alog sa inyong mga itlog. Maraming salamat. Ang pinagigiliwan niyo sa Immorta, ang representing Poblacion at Singan, Pangasinan, the hairiest, the beautiest, the sexiest. Doon po sa Mindanao, Usos, Pugot Ulo. Dito naman sa Poblacion is Usos, Sok-Sok, Botong. Kami naman mga bakilay, lumulunok ng puting lekido. Maraming salamat po. Happy Fiesta, mga kalong. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Please allow me to stand by the name ang nag-iisang nagpatibok sa puso ni Prince William Biscay Middleton. Ang naniniwala sa kasabihan, kaming mga bakla ang solusyon sa lumalagong populasyon. Maraming salamat po.
To be what you are and to become a person you are incapable of becoming is the secret of real beauty queen. And for every living soul in this world has different beliefs, perception, and ambition. It's what we have to do is just to be yourself. A glorious evening to wish in everyone. When I should sing Masantos Ilabi, it's Sikay Amin. I'm here tonight not for the sake of my beauty, it is the sake of my ability. My real name is Mark Absen Anthony Rinon Rigacho Jr. Allow me to stand by the name, the happiest, the prettiest, the sexiest among the campus group, the fourth runner-up of Miss Universe, Miss Maria Venus Love. It's starting in front of you. It's sweet 16 years old of age, taking a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy at the LaSalle Green Hills Mentoring City, major in cashier. Or pwede niyo po akong tawagin sa pangalang Araw. Araw si Maria Josep. Arawan malalag taltalon ang tudubasitan na ayusan. Naniniwala po sa isang katagang bukas lingkungan. Kung ang itlog na pula, tiyak, itlog na maalat. At ang itlog na puti, tiyak, itlog ng manok. At ang itlog na maliit na may pati-pati, tiyak, itlog ng kubo. At ang itlog na maitim na kumikis-kisa ay okay lang manong at kalbulaga. Summer Queen Macalong 2011. This pageant is only for beauty, brain, and body, but for us, homosexual, to prove that homosexual discrimination is finally over. Ladies, gentlemen, in between, standing in front of you is a 20-year-old Spanner, a graduate with Bachelor of Science in Information and Communication Technology. As my co-candidate standing there on the screen name, please do allow me to stand by the name. Sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan ang nag-iisang Christine Reyes. Na nag-iwan sa inyo ng mga katagang bakla, bayot man, kung kami inyong tawagin, kami po ay nakakabuntis rin. Maraming salamat po.